This is a JAMB UTME physics problem. And to solve this problem, it says find the tension T1 in the diagram below if the system is in equilibrium. Now, of course, we know we have our method, which I've already taught in my previous videos. When you want to solve a problem like this, you turn it into a triangle. But first of all, since I'm dealing with tension, I would have to convert this particular mass here to weight, which is 10 times acceleration due to gravity, which is 10. So that will be 100 newtons. So I'm done with that. Now, the idea is that we always, this is the rule to turn this thing to a triangle, and I've explained this very well in my previous videos, but I'm still going to re-explain it now. So the first thing you want to do here is that you want to fix one. Fixing one means that leave it the way it is, and I've already explained that you fix the one that is associated with the angle. As you can see here, T2 is the guy to fix because it's the one associated with the angle. So that one is done. It's already fixed. Now, the next thing to do is to extend another. What do we mean by extending another is simply means that whichever one is, so we have T1 and 100 Newton to extend. T1 is going to the left, 100 Newton is going down. Extending means that as this one is going to the left, we can extend it to the right. As this one is going down, we can extend it up. And then the one we extend is the one that will actually enclose the angle that has been given before. Of course, if we extend T1 in this place, if we try to extend T1, so we see that it's not enclosing the angle, therefore, let us not extend T1. Now, but if we extend 100 newtons, in fact, with this already, let's use it as our extension. This is already enclosing our angle bit by bit, which is, so we just put here that this side is 100 newtons. Now, having done with that, we now have the last guy, which is T1. For T1 in this diagram, we just can say that the last thing to do is to reorientate the last one. Since T1 is our last guy, reorientate it. What do I mean by reorientate it? Whatever the way is going, just leave the direction like that and just go and replace it in this incomplete triangle to complete triangle. So this is horizontal and going to the left. So just go and draw something horizontal that is going to the left to complete this triangle as well. So as you draw this right here is going to be your T1. It's going to be your T1. So what do? You can redraw that triangle. Let's redraw that triangle somewhere here. No, that's not it. We have this. Yes, so that perfectly. So let's label it the hypotenuse side, that is T2. We have T2 here, we have T1 up here, then we have going down here, we have the 100 newtons. Let me ignore the unit for now. And then the angle is made here, which is 30 degrees. So from this place now, we are looking for T1, but then we can actually find both of them in this place, because now if this angle is 30 degrees, and then this is the opposite of 30 degrees, 100 is the adjacent. The implication of that is that tan 30 degrees, using SOHCAHTOA, tan 30 degrees will be T1 divided by 100. So, and what would that be? So let me just come down here, right here. I'm going to copy this now. So with this triangle, let me just put it right here. Yeah, perfect. So with this triangle, using SOHCAHTOA, so we can say that tan of 30 degrees is equal to the opposite, which is T1, divided by 100. And that implies that T1 equals 100 tan 30 degrees. And if you press that on your calculator, 100 tan 30 degrees should give us 100 tan 30 degrees. That implies that T1 will be equal to 100 divided by root 3. And then to find T2, of course, T2 is the hypotenuse. We have the adjacent. So that implies that cosine of 30 degrees equals adjacent, which is 100, divided by the hypotenuse, which is T2. And that implies that T2 equals 100 divided by cosine of 30 degrees. So if you press that on your calculator, you have 100 divided by cosine of 30 degrees, and that would give 200 divided by root 3 as well. Of course, the unit is Newton. And with this, you have been able to find your T1 and T2. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, like, and follow. I'll see you in the next one.